you know, for some of you guys that like to work inside of doors, I'm doing a lock actuator on a town and country on the passenger side sliding door, and I'm right at the point where I really need great lighting. And like, how do you get good lighting? I mean, you know what kind of lights they have. So I'm going to take the light that my company makes. My company, it's me. I own the company. And this is a Goose-Grip swivel stick work light, and it has a stainless steel swivel that can articulate like an airplane prop or like a ballerina. It's got a really powerful magnet. 6061 aluminum holding a light bar that's 12 inches long. That is a custom made PC board, and it's all impregnated in polyurethane resin. It's 100% waterproof. I'm going to take this light and I'm going to put it inside the door, right where I took that cover out. I'm going to put it behind here, like that, inside the door. And I'm going to turn the magnet so that it can touch the outside of the door. And then I can take that light and articulate it however I want to illuminate back there where I got to get to the door latch. And now a real big percentage of you have chosen a battery platform. The majority of you have either Milwaukee or Snap-on. So my company makes a portable battery housing that lets you use your Milwaukee battery, your M12, and it goes into a 3D printed battery housing. I've been using this for a year, and it's a little beat up, but I'm going to take this housing and I'm going to attach it to the side of the door right there, magnetic. And then I'm going to take the wire, I'm going to plug it in here, and now the inside of the door, right there's my light illuminating inside the door all the way back there. I can see when I start getting into this and start pulling this panel back, I'll be able to see what I need to see back there without killing myself. This is available on Goose-Grip.com, the M12 version. The light and the portable battery housing does not come with a battery. You already know that. The battery can be upwards of $100. Put any size Milwaukee battery in there you want. I happen to use most of the time a 6.0. This one happens to be a generic 6.5. And this will run the light for many hours. It's 1300 lumens. It has a lifetime warranty. I'll keep this light like new for you forever. The only thing I will not pay for is shipping. If you break the wire right here for any reason, I don't care if your dog bites through it, that will require you get a new light stick, which comes with a wire. But you will reuse this custom CNC'd housing because it's expensive. And it's just held in place with 4 screws. I'll ship you a new light stick. You'll pay about $10 shipping. I don't really think you're going to break anything else, but if you did, I'll ship you what I got to ship you, and you'll pay shipping. Anyway, Goose-Grip.com. There's 4 different lights available there. This is a job I happen to be doing today, and I'm doing a door lock actuator on a 2013 Town and Country, and having a great light makes the job go so much smoother. I know you have other lights, and you don't absolutely have to have this light to complete the job, but I promise you, if you have this light, it's going to be easier, because I'm a mechanic and I made it how it needed to exist. There's no battery in the light, so the whole light becomes a light stick. All 12 inches gives off light. and the articulation is unmatched by any other light in the world, actually, that's being used by a mechanic. This light is $149.99 plus shipping, lifetime warranty. There are 3 other really cool lights if you've never heard of Goose-Grip, and this is not even the most innovative one. Where do you see the others? Anyway, this is Kevin, Goose-Grip Products, Goose-Grip.com, and I'm out. Go buy the light. You won't regret it.